Vercel is one of the most popular web hosting platforms out there, but before you make your decision, there are some important things you need to know. We'll compare it with other big players in the market, like Netlify and AWS, so you can make an informed choice. First off, Vercel is known for its speed. It has edge functions that help deploy your app globally within seconds. This gives it a distinct advantage when compared to others, like AWS, which can sometimes be slower due to its more complex infrastructure. Vercel focuses on serverless deployments, making it ideal for developers who want to quickly deploy static sites or serverless functions. It's incredibly user-friendly, which stands out against AWS's more complex setup process. Next, Vercel's integration with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket is seamless. This means you can push your code directly to their platform and deploy instantly. Other hosting services may require more manual configurations or third-party plugins, which can be a hassle. If you're used to working with Git, you'll appreciate this integration. The third thing to consider is that Vercel is built specifically for Jamstack apps. This can be a huge advantage if you're focused on modern web development. However, if you need a platform that handles dynamic backends or databases, Vercel might not be the best fit compared to more flexible platforms like DigitalOcean or AWS. Fourth, Vercel's pricing model is flexible, especially for small projects. You can get started for free, which is a great benefit for personal projects or startups. But if you scale up, the costs can increase quickly, especially for large-scale enterprise apps. This makes it a bit pricier than other options like Netlify, which offers competitive pricing for similar features. The fifth thing is its ease of use. Vercel is incredibly easy to set up. You don't need to deal with complicated configurations or server management, which is why it's a favorite for front-end developers. On the other hand, AWS or Google Cloud may require a bit more technical expertise to get things running smoothly. The sixth thing to know is its excellent support for serverless functions. If you're looking to integrate APIs or functions without worrying about server management, Vercel has a major advantage here. While competitors like Netlify also offer serverless options, Vercel's serverless architecture is smoother and more integrated into the platform. Seventh, Vercel offers automatic scaling. This means your site will scale up or down based on demand without any extra work from your side. That's a major benefit over traditional hosting platforms like Bluehost, where you have to manually scale resources. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that Vercel offers preview deployments for every push. This is incredibly helpful for teams, allowing them to collaborate in real time and ensure everything works before going live. AWS doesn't offer anything this streamlined, and it can require more manual deployment management. The ninth point is that Vercel is highly optimized for React, Next.js, and other modern JavaScript frameworks. If you're using one of these, you're in for a treat. Other platforms may not offer the same optimization and could result in slower load times or performance issues. The 10th thing to consider is security. Vercel takes security seriously, offering features like SSL certificates, DDoS protection, and secure data transmission out of the box. While AWS and Google Cloud also provide robust security, Vercel makes it easier for developers by handling most of these features without additional configuration. The 11th thing you need to know is Vercel's excellent developer experience. The platform was built with developers in mind, so everything from the dashboard to the CLI is designed to be simple and intuitive. For teams that need to deploy quickly and efficiently, Vercel provides a smoother experience compared to the sometimes more cumbersome tools offered by Google Cloud or AWS. Finally, Vercel's ecosystem has grown rapidly, with a wide variety of plugins and integrations to extend its functionality. However, if you need full control over your infrastructure or a large variety of backend services, you might find Vercel's offerings a bit limited compared to other platforms like AWS or Azure, which provide more options for backend integrations. In conclusion, Vercel is a fantastic platform, particularly for developers looking to deploy modern static sites and serverless functions with ease. However, if you want a more well-rounded solution for complex backend services, you may want to explore other hosting platforms. For a better alternative, check out our recommended